Welcome to Grampy's Lionel Trains. My recent purchase from Facebook Marketplace is a box of scotch? Nah. It's a plastic-filled red church, a firehouse, a brown house, a red barn with a silo and farm structures, a green gondola, a blue gondola, a Minneapolis and St. Louis boxcar, a Rutland boxcar, an Anheuser-Busch boxcar, a red caboose, a Santa Fe B unit, a 2243 F3 engine, a Lionel Scout tender, and a 1001 steam engine. There's one more bit of magic behind this purchase. These trains belong to a gentleman who's no longer with us. Childhood trains he first played with back in the 50s. His widow told me how much they meant to him, how they were a piece of his boyhood dreams. I promise her I'd do my best to bring them back to life, to get them running again. It felt important, like carrying a piece of his history forward. So as these trains settle into their new home here at Grampy's Lionel Trains, his memories of his trains will be rolling on. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to turn on your notification, because in an upcoming video, I'll be working to bring this gentleman's childhood trains back to life.